Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Form Boost in Dream League Soccer. Form Boost is a fantastic way to temporarily supercharge your players, giving them an edge for a few crucial matches. It's a quick, powerful upgrade that significantly enhances their attributes, helping them perform at their peak when you need it most. This temporary boost is distinct from the permanent player development you achieve through using coaches, offering a tactical advantage for specific games. To apply a form boost, first, head into your team management screen from the main menu. Once there, you will see a Coaches button. Tap on it. This will open a new menu where you can choose the Form Boost option. Simply select the player you wish to boost and confirm your choice to activate their temporary power-up. It's a straightforward process to get your players ready. When a player receives a form boost, their attributes like speed, strength, and control see a noticeable increase, often by 2 to 5 points. This temporary enhancement lasts for a specific number of matches. The exact duration is directly tied to the upgrade level of your training facilities, ensuring at least one match of boosted performance. Plan your facility upgrades to extend these powerful effects. To get the most out of form boosts, use them strategically for your most important games, like league deciders or cup finals. Focus on boosting your star players or those who are critical to your team's success, as their enhanced performance can truly turn the tide. You might also consider giving a boost to a player who is slightly out of form, helping them regain confidence and perform at their best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.